Today we're going to make a fabric garland to use for our hot cocoa bar, for Christmas, for fall. It can be used for Valentine's, birthdays. It's just because it's very neutral colors. It's amazing. So anyway, we're using some twine. I've already measured it and I've actually knotted one section of rope or twine. So we're putting little loops at the end so we can put tacks where we want it. And then I'm just going to measure along here. I'm going to fold it down so that they meet at the same spot, like that. I can get rid of that, and then all I have to do is simply make a knot, and they will all be matching, and cut off the excess. So these are all ready to go. We want about 3 of these, so we're just going to simply start it. This is how easy. And then we get our little strips. This is what we want. So we're going to make a few of these. One more, because it's fun. I have to show you guys one more, sorry. They're telling me to move on, move on. Are you bored? Hopefully not. Unfortunately, these aren't as nice. You cannot just rip these. These have to be actually cut. So you just choose one line and try to keep your eye on it, because otherwise it's going to fray. So we're going to just take the strips. We've got a boatload of strips. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me show you our little, we've already cut up all of the burlap and all of our little checkered fabric. And we're going to take our pre-measured strips and we're just going to start tying them on here. It might be a little bit longer, but we'll trim them down if we don't like it. And we're probably going to do like 2 burlaps and then one of the checkered strips. We like the fray on there. Don't mind the fray at all. And kind of. So we'll be back whenever we have one done.